Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your device and prevent any static damage to the components. First, power off your Lenovo Yoga 72015 IKB and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface to prevent any scratches or damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the RAM slots, which are usually situated near the center of the motherboard. If you are upgrading, you may need to remove the existing RAM modules. To do this, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM stick away from the module. The RAM will pop up at an angle, allowing you to remove it easily. Now, take your new RAM module and align it with the slot. Ensure the notch on the RAM matches the key in the slot. Insert the RAM at a 30-degree angle and press down firmly until the clips click back into place, securing the module. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Once you've completed the upgrade and cleaning, carefully replace the back cover. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert all screws and tighten them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. Now power on your Lenovo Yoga 72015 IKB. To check if the RAM upgrade was successful, right-click on the Start menu and select System. Here, you should see the new amount of RAM displayed. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device professionally diagnosed without obligation. Our service ensures no calls, no travel, and you'll receive a quote before any repair is undertaken. In conclusion, upgrading the RAM in your Lenovo Yoga 72015 IKB can significantly enhance its performance, especially for multitasking and demanding applications. By following these steps, you can complete the upgrade safely and effectively. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.